Hello guys, so in this video it's going to be a very quick tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to change the bobbin of your machine. So in this case I'm using a butterfly machine, so I'm going to open the bobbin compartment and I'm going to leave these two black things to see here. Guys, I'm not a specialist, so I really don't know the names of these things, but it's just a hands-on tutorial. You just literally see what I'm doing. And you're going to, there's this thing the bobbin sits in, you're going to take it out. So here it is. So you're going to lift up this part. I'm going to put a mark on it to see exactly what I'm talking about. And when you lift it up, it's going to release the whole bobbin. Exactly. So when you lift it up, it's going to release the whole bobbin, which you can see the thread is finished. So I'm going to replace a new one, which is already thread. And if you need to see a tutorial on this, let me know. Then I'm going to put it back. I'm going to fit the parts. So first is this person that is going in. So this person has to fit with the other arrow inside. And then we are going to take the last person that is going to fit. And there's a hole supposed to enter in. And we are going to put that there. And then we are going to lock it back with these two black things at the corner. And then we are going to put in our bobbin. As the last person we are putting in. So you're going to put your bobbin in this hole, this particular hole, and placing it in. When you're done, you can close your bobbin compartment and you fit back everything. And then you're going to take the thread and you're going to roll your machine once, and this thread up is going to go down and take the thread in the bobbin that you just put. So here's what I'm talking about. I'm going to roll it once and you're going to pull the thread out, and you're going to notice that it's going to come up with the thread that you put in your bobbin. You're going to send everything behind, and then you can continue from where you stopped. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. If you have any more questions about your butterfly machine, make sure you let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to try my best to answer all your questions. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share the video, and make sure you turn on your notification so that you will be updated if I post any pictures, guys. So I was just showing the various stitches you could do with your butterfly machine. When my bobbin got finished, and I decided to do a very quick tutorial to show you guys how to change it. So that's it for today, guys. Bye bye.